When your trash has to be taken out, you have to either wrap it with strings, tie it tightly so it's sealed, or tie it in a knot so it's hermetically sealed. Once the garbage is hermetically sealed, it is ready for either the madrich or madricha who's coming in to bring you food to pick it up and take it out when they come in to do that, or according to the protocol of the school, you can leave it outside of your door, but in opening your door you must have a mask and you must have your gloves on. The demonstration here is for someone to be able to put it outside their room. So she's put on her mask and now she's put on her gloves. Garbage bags should be readily available in the quarantine room to replace the one that you have disposed of. If you need additional supplies, the students need to ask the school or madrichin for more supplies. Now she goes to the door and she will knock.
Can I come out?
Yeah, nobody's nearby. The door should remain closed the whole time unless someone is actually bringing their trash outside. When I need to pick up the garbage from the outside, I have to hold it away from my body so that I don't get contaminated with anything that might be on here, including any germs or virus. I am now going to take this and I'm going to put it in the garbage receptacle outside while I'm completely dressed up in my personal protective equipment, and only afterwards I'm going to wipe down and clean my hands and take off my equipment. I'm going to now come and go to the garbage receptacle with my gloves still on, placing the garbage inside, and then I'm going to immediately take my gloves off. Okay, and I'm going to put this in a separate garbage bag inside. I'm going to also clean my hands and wipe down all the surfaces that I just touched, including the door handles.